Dear students, you have to post the questions in two-phase pages like this. First page, second page, and this is your third page. First page, second page, and your third page. Adjustments are given on land account, machinery account, and accumulated depreciation account. First of all, share capital 6 lakh and 8 lakh is given. Issue of share capital 2 lakh. Issue of share capital 2 lakh. Reserve and surplus is given 1,30,000 and 40,000, but profit for the year given. Profit for the year. Current year profit minus last year profit. This is profit for the year 60,000. Capital reserve, adjustment of capital reserve is given. No need to do transfer to general reserve. Next, long-term borrowings. Debentures given 2 lakh. In current year, this is 0. Redemption of debentures 2 lakh. Next point, trade payable 1,55,000 and 1,45,000. Decrease in trade payable less. Decrease in trade payables 10,000. Next point, short-term provision means provision for tax and provision for doubtful debts. Current year provision for taxation and provision for tax. Current year provision will be added to profit and last year will be paid less tax paid. That is 25,000. Next point, in asset side, provision for doubtful debts. Add provision for doubtful debts. If increasing, then add it 6,000. Adjustments are given on land, machinery, fixed asset, plant and machinery. Opening given 2 balance BD 2 lakh and closing by balance CD 3 lakh. Accumulated depreciation by balance BD and closing 2 balance CD 48,000. Land, opening 4 lakh and closing 3,50,000. Inventories, increase less. Increase in inventories, that is 55,000. Trade receivable decrease, and decrease in trade receivable 36,000. cash and cash equivalent. The last point, cash and cash equivalent. Opening and closing. Closing minus opening. Cash flow from all activities. That is 42,000. Adjustments are given. Proposed dividend. Current year proposed dividend is your current liability. Current year liability is contingent liability, will not be shown anywhere. And last year dividend, add proposed dividend, $30,000, and dividend paid, $30,000. A piece of land was sold at a profit of 30,000 and this was transferred to capital reserve. So this is your capital reserve, that is 30,000. No double entry will be cost of capital reserve because this is given in the balance sheet. Next point, machinery costing rupees 20,000. Accumulated depreciation is given 8,000, 12,000, and this is sold for 9,000. By depreciation, by bank means sale, by profit and loss, 3,000. Double entry. Double entry. Depreciation to machinery. Sale of machinery, 9,000. Loss operating, loss on sale of machinery, 3,000. Next, debentures redeemed at a premium of 6%. Debentures 2 lakh, add 12,000. 2 lakh 12,000 minus 30,000 minus 2 lakh plus cash flow, cash used in financing, that is 42,000. Now closed all the accounts. Difference, credit side means sale of land by bank, sale of land, investing, difference, two bank purchases, purchases of machinery, 1,20,000. Premium loss, premium on redemption of debentures, 12,000. Now close the depreciation account by profit and loss 26,000. Depreciation 26,000. Operating profit before change in working capital 1,33,000. Sorry, add 205 less 65,000. This is 1,40,000 less 25,000. Cash flow from operating. Now, cash used in investing minus 120 plus 80 plus this 31,000. Now add all these items. 1,15,000 plus 31,000 minus 42,000 minus 31, 42, 73. 73 minus difference is 42,000 plus. Add all the items. Investing minus 31, investing, financing and operating 42,000 plus and also 42,000 plus. If investing, operating and financing total match with this cash flow, then your question is correct, otherwise your question is wrong. ये था टॉपिक.